Do you want to transform your normal photo into a stunning Studio Ghibli-style artwork, like this? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your normal photo into a beautiful Studio Ghibli-style image using Stable Diffusion. You can do this completely offline and create unlimited images without any cost or internet connection. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, download the Ghibli Diffusion v1 checkpoint file. Once it's downloaded, load it into Stable Diffusion. Now go to the Image to Image tab. In the prompt box, describe how your final Ghibli-style image should look. Be specific with the details you want. You can pause the video now and read the example prompt on the screen. In the negative prompt box, type in what you don't want in the image, like blurriness, extra fingers, or wrong colors. Pause the video again to see my example if you're not sure what to write. Now upload the photo you want to convert into Ghibli style. Scroll down to find settings to edit the image. Set the sampling method to Euler A. Turn on the refiner. And increase the denoising strength to 1. Next, activate ADetailer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you'll need to install it manually. Now, you'll also need the face_Euler A8s.pt model for ADetailer. Make sure to download it manually from a trusted website. Do not let Stable Diffusion download it automatically, because it might accidentally download unsafe files. To stay safe, you should block automatic downloads for other models used by the ADetailer extension. For those models, you can create a blank 0-byte file with the same name. This tricks Stable Diffusion into thinking the file is already downloaded, and it won't try to fetch it online. But remember, don't do this for the face_Euler A8s.pt model. That one you actually need. If you're unsure how to do this, just ask ChatGPT, it can guide you step by step. Here you type a prompt for how you want the face to look in Ghibli style. Then type a negative prompt to make sure it doesn't generate anything unwanted. You can keep detection, mask pre-processing and in painting as it is. But select ControlNet model as Control SD15 depth. This model you should download from web and place it in correct place. Let's move on to ControlNet. In Unit 0, enable it and choose Open Pose as the control type. Set My Prompt is More Important. In Unit 1, enable it and choose Depth. Again, choose My Prompt is More Important. In Unit 2, enable it and select Canny, and again, set My Prompt is More Important. You'll need to download all these models from the web and put them in the correct folder. Now, as everything is done, click the Generate button. If you're using a basic GPU like the RTX 2050, it might take around 5 to 7 minutes. Faster GPUs will finish quicker. And don't worry, the time shown on screen is often longer than the actual time it takes. Once it's done, you'll see your image fully transformed into a Studio Ghibli-style artwork. It used Canny, Depth, and Open Pose for structure, and ADetailer to enhance the face details. The generated image is good. If something looks off, like the mouth is hidden behind a beard, you can use in painting inside Stable Diffusion to fix it. To find your final image, go to your Stable Diffusion folder. Then open Web UI, then Outputs, then IMG to IMG, Images. Then open the folder with today's date, and there you'll find your image. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn your normal image into a beautiful Studio Ghibli-style artwork, completely offline and with unlimited possibilities. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Got any doubts or want help with setup? Just drop a comment. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching.